AI image generation for seniors, how to create and edit images with AI, a beginner's guide. Now, creating a beautiful image used to require years of learning photography or digital art. In 2026, you describe what you want in plain English and an AI generates it in the matter of seconds. Now, this tutorial is specifically designed for beginners who are looking for AI image generation for different types of, areas and different types of places that you can use generative AI for. Now, AI image generation tools are going to create images from text descriptions. You simply type what you want to see, which is a golden retriever puppy sitting on a garden of sunflowers, and the AI products an image matching that description. Like literally, if you come over here and write golden retriever puppy sitting in a garden of sunflowers, create image. Okay, we're simply going to write that in to ChatGPT, and that is it. Now, AI is going to produce everything that's going to match the description. You don't need to draw, you don't need a camera, you don't need any special skills. You just need to be able to describe what you want. Now, there are several AI images tools that are available in 2026. Now, for beginners, the most accessible one is ChatGPT, Claude, or even Gemini. Okay, your basic chatbots that literally do anything and everything for you. But there are some specificities in this as well. And of course, GPT and everything, they do a good job at it because look at this. That looks absolutely incredible. But let's go ahead and discuss about something in more depth. So, for starters, we have something like Microsoft Designer. Now, this is only available through a Microsoft 365 account, but a great masterclass in creating AI images. Then we have something like Adobe Firefly, another great AI that is available in your browser and everything. But again, you do need to make sure that you have the Adobe suite for this. And the AI image features built into Claude, Gemini, GPT, everything is going to work incredibly. Now, in this tutorial, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be focusing mostly on the free and straight up tools like Gemini or GPT. Now, Gemini takes the win in general ones because the generation is absolutely incredible and the credits don't really run out. You can generate almost unlimitedly, obviously, if your generations are in a decent time frame. Now, you could type a description in the box. Like, start with something simple for your first image, like a peaceful cottage garden in spring with colorful flowers. Generate image. So pretty simple, right? Now you're going to wait for about, I'd say 10 to 30 seconds, depending on how difficult your image is to make. And Gemini creates a proper image in front of you. You can also ask it for variations. And those variations are going to work incredibly. So you can see we have two variations over here. And you can choose which one works better for you. Now, I like this one, so I'm going to go with this. Okay, I'm going to tell it that this response is much more helpful. And there we have it. Now, each is going to be slightly different, each variation. So if you like one, just click it like this. So that is completely about it. The quality of the image you get depends significantly on how clearly you describe it. A few tips that make a big difference is be specific about the main subject. So instead of saying like, a dog, say something like a fluffy golden retriever. So this gives it a much better idea. Include a setting where the subject is, present. So go ahead and instead of saying a dog in a park, a better thing to say is a fluffy golden retriever puppy sitting in a sunny park. Then you can include mood or a style. So if you have one in mind, you can go with like, let's say bright and cheerful. So that's the whole mood of the picture. And you can also mention a time of the day. So let's say golden hour. So you can simply write that in. Practice descriptions, instead of something pretty simple like a bird flying in the sky, you could go with a bright blue jay perched on a snowy tree branch in the winter, very detailed and realistic. Something like this is going to make your product so much better. And of course, when it comes to the general working of something like Gemini works better. Now, most AI image tools are going to let you upload and reference image as well alongside your text description. So just like this, you can see the image is pretty accurate, golden hour and everything. Now let's go ahead and give it a reference image. All right. So we can actually see how things work when it comes to, getting an idea from something. I'm going to go over to my downloads, and let's say in my downloads, I'm going to come right up here, and we're going to choose an image that obviously works more concurrently with our design or what we actually want. So let's say I'm going to go with something like this. So once you added it, let's go ahead and create a model product photo shoot image like this. Model needs to be Caucasian, redhead, fair skinned. Let's go with hazel eyes, and go with a little more description like cute, chubby face. Let's go with something like wavy hair, very clear skin, has face wash in her hand, smiling. And let's go with minimalistic white background and white color schemed setting. And let's go with a very realistic, very professional. Okay. We're going to go ahead and write that in. Now, you can also see that it works incredible with reference images as well. Now, this is our reference image right here. Now, it looks like this. So just as so, according to that, look at this. How incredible is that? Like, look at the difference from that to this. It's practically the same thing, and it looks so real. It looks so fine. I'd say it is amazing. Now, most AI image tools are going to let you do this, and if you want to create something according to another image, it is this easy. Now, once you have an image you mostly like, AI editing tools are going to change specific parts without regenerating for the whole thing. This is called in-painting. Now, what you can do is, I'm going to say, remove the plant from the back and add a lamp. Okay, we're simply going to go ahead and say that, and AI will, of course, do that for us. And this is a pretty simple thing. Like, removing a lamp is pretty much amounting to nothing for AI. So let's say I'm going to go with something like change the aesthetic, go from minimal and white to cottage core yellow brown aesthetic. Let's say Harry Potter vibes, but the subject of the image stays the same. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and write in something like that. And now you're going to see that it's going to change the whole aesthetic of everything. So we go from this to something like a proper aesthetic cottagecore vibe. And this is quite useful if you want to reiterate their design into different things. And look at that. Pretty cool, pretty incredible, right? And one of the most popular uses of AI image generation is creating cards or images for gifts. So you can do that as well. So let's say you want to create a card. So instead of buying a generic card, you can create an image that's specifically meaningful, a painting style illustration of your grandmother's house, a watercolor portrait of a beloved pet. So let's say I want to go ahead and create a greeting card with a watercolor portrait of Cupid. The greeting card is for guests that I'm inviting to my Hanukkah. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and write something like that. And what's going to happen over here is it's going to create the exact design that we've asked it to do. And your image gets created in the most, famous way possible. And there we have it. So look at that. Pretty incredible, right? And these are mock-ups. You can, of course, ask it for a normal PNG as well. So just like this, AI image generation is genuinely accessible to everyone, regardless of technical background or artistic experience. You describe what you want in plain words, the AI creates it, and you can edit and refine until you're happy. Start with something simple and personally meaningful, a favorite place, a beloved pet, a family member you would love to see illustrated, and you will be creating beautiful images in the matter of minutes. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.